Search and destroy.
Whoa, shoot house search. Let's see how this goes.
Yeah, I'm
Not
feeling
good,
about
not
this.
good. Oh,
Safeguard
me.
the assets. No
We
mistakes.
play a lot of shooting shit. So.
Forces are not available.
Oh. I thought we were playing shoot the ship! What the fuck you?
watch back center.
Don't worry, I'll clean up.
Bro, I'm so sorry.
Oh, it's 2v2.
Maybe off.
One's still in the shanty, back shanty.
Oh,
UAV is ready for flyover. One minute remaining.
see if that were hardcore, Chandler would have been dead because I would have shot him.
Where'd you do that to me?
Junkyard, junkyard.
Oh. Oh.
That is the way. On to the next round.
I was gonna let you get the ace, but you made the call out, so.
Search
It
and
sounded like he
destroy.
was behind me. His ass almost fucking killed me. Or it sounded like it was in front of me, excuse me, but
Hey,
he was
Jordan,
behind
we're playing
me.
search.
I'm gonna
Yeah, yeah,
smoke
yeah.
mid.
Critical assets identified. Keep them secure.
Five v two guys.
That is the way. On to the next round. Search and destroy. We have assets in the field. Defending them is critical. Falcon control. Good job. Beginning
You're welcome for that UAV.
Yeah, boy.
We have the advantage. Keep
Well, I'm just thinking about it. It's like, I don't
UAV.
have to go. If I'm dead, I don't have to go to work at 6. That's the way I'm looking at this.
That's a move.
switching sides.
See, somebody gets me. Thank you.
I got you, fam.
Search and destroy.
Next round, I'm gonna tell him about my OnlyFans.
Retrieve the bomb. Destroy your targets. We have the bomb.
Not like I can answer the phone.
Fuck off!
We have the bomb. Advance to the cafe.
You ain't shit,
Bro.
I fucking hate you. Chill. It's a bot.
God
Chill.
damn it. God damn it. Oh, shit.
I'm using the fucking shotgun like a little.
Search and destroy.
I'm sorry,
Yeah.
Jordan. I'm sorry. I thought you were the one getting executed, and it freaked me out, so I just shot. I'm sorry.
You took the execution? God damn it.
Capture the bomb and
Yeah, I thought it was him that was executing though, or getting executed.
I'm
Oh, you win.
Fuck this dude!
UAV is ready for flyover. Cluster strike ready for launch.
Oh, watch the side.
This is Builder 2-0. Good copy. Cluster strike away.
One's still in spawn, one's running with a knife. I think I got one shot on spawn.
One round is nothing.
I just
Prepare
like
to fight.
fucking shit on you guys with that knife. I'm not gonna lie.
Because I was calling a cluster strike in, but that's all good.
Oh no, I shit on you guys. I literally
My
ran
dick's
around the
tiny.
map with a knife and killed all 3 of you.
Oh,
My dick's-
no.
Search and destroy.
Entire team is negative.
Targets identified. Capture the bomb and engage. The bomb is in place. Protect our carrier.
I swear to fuck. Right below you, red crate.
Oh yeah, that,
This is Falcon 3-0. Good copy. Planting B. Bomb planted. Set the perimeter.
if Vista gets off, it's gonna get much quieter in here, and then I'm gonna want to go
Did
to
they have a
sleep.
UAV or was that walls?
You guys are
Oh.
garbage. Your
I
entire
don't
team
know.
is
Honestly,
teammates using a
honestly,
fucking
we're
Arnado
probably-
fucking
We're
fire
probably just dog shit. These
Doesn't know how
kids
to
are
use a
probably
real
just way
goddamn
better
gun.
than we are, and
Hey,
we're
follow my
probably just
OnlyFans.
losing because
Subscribe
of
to
that.
my OnlyFans, y'all. Subscribe to my
Search and
OnlyFans.
destroy.
Sure they like ass.
I know I do.
We have assets in the field. Defending them is critical. UAV is ready for flyover. Cluster strike ready for launch.
This is Builder 2-0. Good copy. Cluster strike.
Damn, they didn't want it.
Good copy. UAV beginning flyover.
Oh my god, they all left. What the fuck? That's so fucking funny.
I shit on that kid with the Cali 6 and the knife.